Namaste. Welcome to part 7 of Flutter Complete App Tutorial series. In the previous part, we implemented the edit and delete actions. On that, we implemented delete actions. So, in this episode, we are going to implement our edit action that will open the edit page and we will be able to update our node. So, let us begin. First, to allow updates, we need to make few changes to our add node page. So in add node page, what we'll do is we'll create a property called node and we'll create a constructor for the node field. This is optional, and in init state, first what we'll do is we'll check. First, we'll create a bool edit mode. So if edit mode is true, when edit mode equals to reset.note is not equal to null. If note is parsed, then this is edit mode. So here in the text controller, what we can do is if text, if it is edit mode, then we use .note.title, otherwise null. Same for the description. Otherwise null. So this way we get the editing value. And down, when we press the save button, here what we would like to do is, if edit mode we would like to update, else we'd like to add. Okay, so if edit mode notes tb dot update item node. Okay, and in node id should be if edit mode, then node.id, otherwise null. Okay, now in the nodes home, in onEdit function, we simply do dot push material page route builder here add node page, node will be node. Okay, now let us test. So when we press edit, okay, so we get the existing value. Let's test this and let's try to update it. Another node 1 2. Let's save. Okay, so it is successfully updated and we can go back. So I'd like to make few changes in the edit or add page. When we press the save button, we'd like to show a processing. So in add node page, let us create another bool processing, and let's make it false by default. False. We changed the state, so let us get back and come again. And when this is saved, on press save, first we set processing to true, and when it's done, before we navigate back, we set state processing to false. And in the save button, in child, we'll do if processing true, then we show circular progress indicator, otherwise we show save. And in on pressed, if processing, then we use a empty function, otherwise we use async. Okay, so now if I press save, this should show processing. Okay, what we want to do is, if processing, we just want null. This way, if I press edit, okay, we can see the circular progress bar and the navigates back once the processing is complete. Thank you everyone for watching this tutorial. In the next episode, we will continue and add more features to our app.